Today I am sharing with you how to make Jamaican style cornmeal porridge. So here in my pot I have 8 cups of water. I add 2 pieces of cinnamon stick and 3 pieces of bay leaves. Here I pour 2 cups of cornmeal. Open 1 can of coconut milk. Going to mix the cornmeal and the coconut milk together. No lump, just mix it right out. I tip a little bit of water in it, my people. Here I add it to the pot. Give it a stir. That's it don't have no lump, so you continue stir it right away. Here add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix it also. Here I add nutmeg powder and mix right away for it don't have no lump. Here me add some vanilla extract. Here me add some brown sugar. You're going to add some sweet condensed milk. Mix. Now I'm going to share out myself a bowl. And look how nice and creamy this is, my people. Here I'm going to grate some nutmeg on it. Fresh nutmeg. And me having it with some cinnamon bread. Look at that, my people. Alright, go for a taste test with the bread. This is so good, my people. Peace out.